Alex did it first. Don't do it here. Supposed to. He used to do it over the
As Evan Douglas takes his pass in the beautiful injured 244, pretty much intensive and recent restoration of the whole previous country. Some wondering about this aircraft coming out of the resurrection I call the resurrection. And then it's in the example of the resurrection before seeing it, from on the ground from the
just superb, the workmanship that you see on Merlins were a little bit more magnified, but still it's a special
So realistically, between the two of you, following number 6, you think there's potential for any more? We can ask Warren, or Jack in the speech probably tomorrow as well, but do you think there's realistically enough bits, or enough activity floating around to push it beyond 6?
But the hardest thing to find is the people who are going to fund it. And
it's not cheap.
It's not cheap.
Currently around $12 million Kiwi, I believe is the figure, quoted on television the other night, so I don't think I'm talking out of turn.
No, I don't think so. That's certainly, you need deep pockets for this, and you need deep pockets to operate it as well.
Yeah.
You've got the Mustang, you've got the B25, the Sabre, all of the Vigilante, right the way through to the XB70, the supersonic bomber. And of course in North America expanded, they went on missiles and building atomic reactors as well. So we've certainly got some experience building a lot of different types of machinery.
These are big aircraft, you sit up very high in them. In fact, up here, team show with the Wikier one, it is Brian Hall's T28. That is the one with the orange wingtips that is closest to the crowd. And the other one is up north, and he's up at 2. That one and another one from up north, the other one's unfortunately stranded at Cisco Hill, so it's now open on the second storage in Ashburton. So we're down to 2, but thanks to Brian.
Neighbours and on steroids.
Yeah, and they sounded completely different. What's the story there?
Different engines. The second one, the grey one, has an 1820 9-cylinder radial, 1425 horsepower, and the first machine.
That
very distinctive diameter along the wings there.
That's a very tight clearance display, actually. Very tight.
It's the 228. Very front, you have a flame on. So with this swirl on it, engine through the engine, basically mimics some of those performance characteristics.
So was that the T28A? You see these A's and D's and C's on the market, and some of them are only 800 horsepower.
And
Last 1 year.
that is a very nice formation there. So the new model is the first to be fitted with this larger engine. They want to carry a modification for they want to fight in a real war. Well, this is true. You have to read the book The Ravens to understand what actually happened. Leave Vietnam, go into Thailand, buy one of these for $1 or a bird dog, something like that. They fly into Laos, and then that aircraft and they were assigned to a particular area. They might go down south to Paksay, or a lot of them operated out of a place up north called Long Tien, which is the movie, the secret air base in that movie with Mel Gibson. They were American. Went up there and purchased quite a few of these, disassembled them, put them on Chinese military vehicles. They actually drove them down the Ho Chi Minh Trail and into Thailand, and then they were shipped to Australia.
Warbirds are a bit like the old classic.
Down the road using fire. Well, runway advanced plywood construction, fitting it with 2 Merlin engines, fastest light bomber.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that aircraft needs no comment. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, as the jets fly overhead. Give Steve Hinton a big wave. That's a fantastic performance.
We're going to get busy and what you say to your walkers on the power again. Send off to its new oil on the States.
Taxi in. Beautiful formation demonstration.
Public display here under the islands of If there was anything going wrong in out in the sky, man, it was fantastic. I didn't realise we had 4 flyable L-39s in the country. It was news to me, and here we are.
One of the most popular warbirds in the world, apart from what you see, is just taxied out right now. Dean Wilbur is the flight lead. And number 2 on the right wing is Bob Stash Hutchinson, including a couple with American engines and avionics. This is one of the most popular civilian jet aircraft in the world. Look at this. Inverted flight there. Easy as you please. Very, very quiet.
When this thing first saw the light of day, and you think about the sort of cars we were driving in New Zealand and Australia in 1968, you hear about skins of those things. It's hard to check out.
The only person I pronounce it correctly is Jackie Savard. This is New Zealand's only fight. Pure adrenaline, or tailored to your specific nature, just like Flight lead for this, Dan Warbirds. He's a retired US Air Force fighter pilot with 151 combat hours and 4,000 total flight hours. He flew the 810 Warhawk, which only its American blood. Also flew the F-117 stealth fighter during the Second World War. Here's a great photo opportunity, folks, coming in from your very close formation.
All I can think of there was Canadian snowbirds. They are an incredibly tight team, and that's
This is a great photo opportunity, folks. See a lot of pics going in other magazines today.
But this is only the final one. This is just an easy one.
This is the correct one.
Actually, that is very smooth. That's superb.
That is very smooth indeed.
1968. That I can't get over it. It looks like something that if you didn't know any better.
From your left, the American Eagles.
The Corsair is about to take off their Warbirds. Work with me here.
Yes. Well, I'm hoping you race correct because...
Otherwise, we're in trouble.
Yes.
Yeah. No, Mike Jones, the current owner, is just determined discussions and how the speed will pan out and what have you. All good, healthy during the race. But we're seeing it better than we've seen it before.
Too much of a paint and match on that, but certainly we'll have
You have to say those guys are going to hang it.
Another very tight formation.
Was helping put this Lennon back into the air.
Certainly responsible. Now look at this break here from the L39. Responsible for the rebuild of many Spitfires.
Zealand Warbirds at Ardmore President Frank Parker, currently the only rated Corsair pilot in the country, at the controls here this afternoon.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, from the right, the Corsair. The technique of landing, and they changed the undercarriage as well to sort of down, so it's very stiff. Very well known, but over 2,000 were seen with
And 424 on charge with the RNZAF, that has not been held for some time. On charge with the RNZAF, and such a prolific exponent of displaying this aircraft over so many air shows, Ando. It comes time for all of us to pass the baton to somebody else. He's called Frank up. Frank's the man now, and he can sit back and relax and watch things.
those 400, equipped over, I think about 13 squadrons in the Royal New Zealand Air Force, and used with very telling effect. Once he has the aircraft set up in landing configuration, the whole of the airfield is obliterated, and he's using his peripheral vision to land the aircraft. That's why the curved approach, so they can keep the runway in sight or the aircraft carrier at all times. Beautiful landing.
Sweet, right, we'll see you.
As the Corsair taxis past, big wave and a round of applause for propeller-driven aircraft.
I'll give you a call when we're in the car. They were going to be with us. So. Be like that,
This is helping designing the Sukhoi 31. Saw that aircraft win many championships over quite a few years. His aerodynamic experience and also his flying experience into looking for what would be the ultimate aerodynamic. 52 has an inverted fuel and oil system that allows the aircraft to fly inverted for about 2 minutes. If you have a look at the wing, it is very flat, and the wing also has a profile that's very symmetrical, so that allows it to fly well, both inverted and upright. That has been produced with a 400 horsepower F14 engine.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together. Upgraded engine, strengthened wing with 8 hard points, upgraded ejection sets. Powered by a 3,140 pound thrust engine, Arabian and Ecuador, Oman and Yemen have all used theirs in combat situations. New Zealand skies. The strike most of Mark 88 was the export version used by New Zealand. And we're very well indeed. This aircraft is